this video, let us understand the directory navigation and path names. We had a look at the Linux file system portrayed as an inverted tree structure. We have root at the core of the hard drive and various folders underneath it. We also saw that when I open a shell, I generally start at /home/John, but it can vary based on the Linux distribution you are using. Let us first list down the directories within my current directory by typing ls. Now we can move to any one of these directories by typing cd. cd stands for change directory. Let us go to the music directory by typing cd followed by music. cd music. Now we are within the music directory. We can check this by typing pwd. It tells me that I am currently in /home/john/music. I can go back to the parent directory by typing cd /home/john. Let us do that quickly and check it using pwd. Seems correct. So, cd as a command becomes vital in navigating to different directories, and cd is followed by name of the directory as argument. We can have this name in two formats, absolute and relative. What do I mean by that? Well, before we begin, let me clear the screen. We are currently in /home/john. Now, if we had to go to a directory bin under user, then we would first go to home by the command cd ... then to slash or root by cd ... again. pwd will tell us where we are, and cd user, and then again cd bin. Let us check this with pwd. Moving this way step by step by typing cd and giving name of the directory as argument is simple. These names of directories are called as relative path names. Same way, if I had to go back to /home/john from my current directory, which is /user/bin, then I would first go one level up to user, then to slash or root, then to home, and then to John. Or I could go there in a single command this way, cd /home/john. This argument /home/john is known as absolute path. Let us check this out. Isn't it? We have reached /home/john. Not just with cd, the absolute paths can be used with different other commands too. For example, now that we have reached John's home folder, if we want to view files and directories in /user/bin, then we can type ls /user/bin. It lists down the files and directories in /user/bin without actually changing the directory. So we have two path names, relative and absolute. In this video, we spent time learning how to navigate directories and also how to use relative or absolute path names. In the next video, we will learn how to create files and directories.